the long face, I hear you say, well, because we're into our, I think, 9th week of drought, not lockdown, drought. I'll show you the various water systems I've got rigged up here. So there's a bathtub here with a pond liner in it, and a drain pipe coming off the corner of the glass house there, and it's only got that much in it. Then there's the drain pipe off the garage shed, big area of roof, the water butt down to the dregs, which feeds into this one, down to the dregs, into this one, down to the dregs, into this one, down to the dregs, and that one is just been put there recently, and I haven't connected it up to anything. And then the next lot, drain pipe off the side of the glass house into this water barrel, down to the dregs, down to the dregs, into that one, which will turn the tap, down to the dregs. So we are really struggling up here in the northeast of England. Who'd have thought it? It is. I mean, we had rain last week, and when I say here for Burnup Field, maybe it's 2 showers lasting 20 minutes, half an hour max, and it wasn't like heavy rain. It was thick drizzle. So it's, as you can see, it's made no impact. And I've got all this stuff in here that needs watering, seeds and things, and there's stuff outside which usually, once it's out, it looks after itself. If you remember me seed pricking out and seed sowing, talking about filling the trays to get a deep root run for the seeds, that's what it's all about. Deep, you encourage your plants to root down deep. And little great tits just landed on the greenhouse windowsill there. And that helps them to survive conditions like this. But I mean, this is about the 3rd year in a row it's been like this. And each year I keep thinking I need to expand on how much water holding capacity I've got. So there's rain forecast for next week. So between now and next week I've got to find another way of storing or collecting and storing water. And I'm running out of roof space to get drain pipes and gutters connected to. So my idea is to get some freestanding bins like this system out here, the cheap plastic dustbins connected with a little bit of tubing, stepped down one from the other. But it's how to concentrate enough water into the first one that it fills quickly and then starts filling the next ones. And my idea is to rig up a framework supporting a bit of pond liner really, or plastic sheeting that will gather a lot of water and fill it into the first bin. Probably better to try and show you once it's up than to explain it verbally. Anyway, on a brighter note, I'm going to take some of the seedlings out of here. So these hoary plantain and eupatorium, hemp agrimony, they're going to get planted in the garden today. And why not? Happy planting.